Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie, and for today's practice, we're going to be exploring our balance. So when you're ready, coming to a kneeling position. If this is really uncomfortable, you can come to an easy seat, but if possible, coming to kneeling. You might even have a brick or a blanket between the sit bones and the heels. We're going to begin to roll the shoulder blades down the rib cage, lifting the chin slightly. Hands can be soft, palms up or down in the lap. Just beginning to soften or close the eyes. We're going to begin to invite some movement with our breath. The eyes can stay soft or closed. We're going to begin to inhale the arms up overhead. If we're kneeling, we're coming up onto the shins, pressing up. Gaze can go up towards the sky if comfortable for the neck. And we'll begin to exhale, releasing the hands back down onto the thighs. Sit bones coming onto the heels. I'm going to do that 2 more times. Inhaling up. Exhaling, coming down. And exhaling. We're going to inhale the arms up, taking them up overhead. And I'm going to begin to cactus, so softening the elbows. I'm beginning to take the arms up overhead, staying kneeling, and taking the hands down into the heart space. So we're going to begin to come into a gate pose. So I'm going to invite you to take the hands to the hips. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror you. So we're going to begin to take our left leg out, maybe in line with the hip, inviting the sole of the foot to the earth. We can stay here, beginning to invite that right arm up overhead, left hand sliding down the left leg. And you can soften the eyes, or maybe taking the gaze upward. And begin to take that right hand up, hands together at the heart. So we're going to begin to bend that left knee. We'll begin to take this on the other side, hands on the hips, taking that right leg out. Remembering each side's going to be different. So begin to take that left arm up and then over to the side. Hands are going up overhead. As we bring them into the heart, inviting that right knee. Inhaling both arms up overhead. We're going to cactus. And we're going to add to our series, so the arms are going up. We'll begin to come back into that gate pose, extending that left leg. Not a lot of weight in that left hand. We're going to begin to transition to a side plank. So beginning to release that right hand down to the earth. Left hand coming to the hip. And some of us might stay right here. Then begin to take that left hand up overhead. Or if you've got space in your environment, you might take it over. If you don't, but you want to get that overhead experience, you can bend the elbow, setting the hand towards the back of the room. Now we're going to begin to transition back to our gate pose. So navel to spine, pressing off with that right hand and coming back into gate. Taking both arms up overhead, taking that left knee in. We're going to begin to take this on the other side. So right leg coming out, right hand to the leg, gate pose. Exhaling, beginning to come to your modified side plank, releasing that left hand down. Right hand to the hip. We can stay here again, sky overhead if we have space, or maybe bending the elbow. We're going to begin to come back into our gate pose. Inhaling the arms up overhead, taking that right knee. We're going to cactus. Exhale. Inhaling the arms up and down into the heart space. We're going to begin to take a gentle twist, taking that left hand to the right knee. Inhaling, releasing the twist, taking the arms up overhead. Exhaling, coming back to kneeling. We'll take that twist on the other side. Inhaling, releasing the twist. And we're just going to do each side one more time. So begin to take that left leg out, gate. Exhaling to your side plank. If you want to take it a little bit further, you can begin to lift that left leg, flexing the toes in towards the shin. Beginning to release the left foot if we've lifted, coming back to our gate. And then both arms up overhead as we bend that left knee, coming into the other side, so gate pose, just finding our balance. Exhaling, modified side. Again, staying here, beginning to lift. Releasing the right foot, coming back to gate. And beginning to take both arms up overhead, releasing the knee, and then coming into our kneeling. We'll take that twist, right hand to the left leg. Back to center. And then taking the twist on the other side. And when ready, begin to take the hands back into the heart space. Bowing the head in gratitude for investing in your practice and your well-being. And thank you for exploring this 10-minute balancing flow. If you'd like this video, hit like, hit subscribe. If you'd like to check out any of my other 10-minute videos, hit the playlist in the description. And I'll see you again soon.